How to use the OOONA Tools dashboard. When purchasing more than one subscription of a product, a dashboard will be added to the user's apps. The dashboard lets you add new users and allocate licenses to them. To create user accounts for your team members, select Multiple Users Creation. Fill in the user data. First name and email are mandatory fields. Press Import Users. Now you should see the new accounts in the Users tab. The users will automatically receive an email to set their initial password. At the top of the page, you will see the status of your product licenses and their expiration date. Use the on-off switch to assign a product license to a user. If your team members already have independent OOONA accounts, contact our support to associate those accounts with your team.